National History Day, Minnesota. Before we start, what does good communication look like? What happens when there isn't any communication? Good communication looks like when there isn't any communication, you can pause on each slide that asks a question before you move on so that you can answer it. Watch, find Exploring National History Day in Schoology. Stop at about 7 minutes and 40 seconds. What is History Day? History Day is, go find this video and watch it before you answer this one. How do I make a History Day project? Step 1, choose your topic. Make sure your topic is interesting and something you want to learn about. Remember, make sure your topic connects to the theme. More on that later. Step 2, research your topic. Find primary and secondary sources, articles, letters, pictures, books, diaries, newspapers, etc. that give you information about your topic. Remember, you want to learn about what happened before, during, and after your topic took place. Step 3, analyze your research. Once you've learned about what happened before, during, and after your topic took place, you need to think about the overall impact of your topic in history. Hint, think about why your topic was important in history and how it had a positive or negative impact on our lives today. Step 4, create your project. After you've analyzed your research, it's time to put out all of your analysis into a final project. There are several options for how you can present your final analysis in your project. Project types. You will get to choose one: exhibit board or poster, research paper or essay, documentary, artwork, website, performance, storytelling, or podcasting. Exhibit board or poster is a combination of words and pictures that shows the significance of your topic in history, a combination of text, images, and quotes. Research paper or essay, more than just an informative essay, an analytical paper, 1,500 to 2,500 words, has a thesis and makes a claim or argument about their research. You're not describing what happened, you're analyzing the significance of your topic. Website, an online platform that tells the story of the significance of your topic in history, a combination of text, images, and videos. Documentary, a short movie between 5 to 10 minutes that tells the story of the significance of your topic in history, a combination of text, images, video, and narration. Performance, a physical representation, 5 to 10 minutes, of your topic that shows the significance of your topic in history. Performances can be many things: skit, podcast, spoken word, music, or something that you come up with creatively. Artwork, a visual representation of your topic. More than just pictures, it must show the significance of your topic in history, a combination of images and text. Storytelling or podcasting, an oral narrative presentation, a podcast, 5 to 10 minutes, or a written narrative paper, 5 to 10 typed pages, that tells the story of the significance of your topic in history. Stories have several key elements: setting, characters, plot, point of view, theme, connections. What type of project are you most interested in so far, and why? You can change your mind later. I'm most interested in because History Day theme. Every year there's a different National History Day theme. The theme is a big idea that you have to connect to your topic. Same theme for all students. The themes are very broad. Many topics will connect. The theme will guide your research questions. 2018, conflict and compromise. 2019, Triumph and Tragedy, 2020, Breaking Barriers, and 2021, Communication in History. Communication, a process or action by which information, news, or ideas are exchanged or shared between individuals or groups. How do people communicate with each other? People communicate with each other in these ways. Technology or means of communication includes telephone, postal mail, radio, television, internet, telegraph, photos, and speeches, movies, monuments, songs, art, and protest. Is information the same as communication? Just because someone tells you something does not mean that you understand or know what they mean. Instances of miscommunication where people didn't understand each other, misinformation, people spreading or believing lies, and lack of communication, people refusing or unable to communicate, all fit the theme. Examples: NWA being told to stop performing their song F the Police, Biggie versus Tupac's beef, West Coast versus East Coast, President Reagan lying about the Iran-Contra affair, the Spanish requirement of 1513, the Treaty of Wuchale in 1889, Italy and Ethiopia go to war over a single mistranslated word. Communication in history. Topics must be related to the theme. Even if you can choose your topic, it must be related to communication. Remember, communication happens in many different ways. This doesn't have to be a project about phones. General rules. In history, topics must be 20 years old or older, happened before the year 2000. If you're being asked to assess the historical context and significance, your topic is too current, you won't be able to figure out the impact it has had on history. Do I have to do this by myself? No, you can work with a partner if you want. However, if you choose to work with a partner, you are stuck with that person for the entire project, even if that person decides not to do their fair share of the work. You are responsible for communicating with your partner about the project. This means figuring out when or how you will meet, deciding how to split up the work, etc. You and your partner will get the same grade on the project, even if you did more work than your partner. So think very carefully about whether or not you want to work with someone else. Friends and significant others don't always make good History Day partners. Source requirements. Historians use a variety of sources to get their information in order to make sure they are getting accurate information. In your project, you will need to find both primary and secondary sources. Primary sources, at least 3, and secondary sources, at least 6. Timeline. How long will we spend on the History Day project? About 7 weeks. Week 1, History Day kickoff, picking a topic and project type. Week 2, primary versus secondary sources, how to take notes, credibility, and bias in sources. Weeks 3 to 4, how to research, independent research, note-taking, thesis, statement, draft. Week 5 to 6, independent research, source citations, note-taking, analyzing sources. And week 7, finish research, create your project, thesis, statement, final draft. What are you most excited about for History Day? What are you most nervous or worried about? I'm excited for, I'm worried or nervous about. Done? Yes. Dropbox. MNS Intro to History Day. Have fun!